valuation of goodwill for this particular question number 36 of the TS Garewal book. Okay, so first of all, see the trading loss and profit are there in the year 2010, 11, 11, 12 and 12, 13. 3 years are there. 2010 and 11, 2011 and 12 and 2012 and 13. Just put down the actual profit or loss 2,25,000 and the 1,87,500 and rest at 6,36,500. 6 lakh. But in the year 11 12 there is a loss of 1,87,000. So loss means it's minus. Okay, clear for all. Now see some adjustment are there. Rate of interest is expected to working capital 1,500. Okay, remuneration of the each partner of the service treated as a charge on the profit 3,750 per month. Oh, that means each and every year we have to charge partners remuneration which is 3,750 per month. And how many partners are there? To see there is a two partner, Ram and Rahim. So only one thing is there, that is only partner remuneration. Only this adjustment are there. So each and every year the remuneration will be 3,750 per month. So in a 3,750 into 12 into how many partners are there? There is a two partner. So each and every year the partners remuneration will be 90,000 and no such entries are there. No such entries are there. So we have to make the correct profit. We have to find out the correct profit. So what is the correct profit? We can add all these things. Okay, less remuneration, sorry, it will be less over here. $90,000 each and every year to charge the partners remuneration. So as a result, our correct profit for the year 2011 1,30,000. So the average profit is how much? The average profit will be, you have to add all these things divided by 3. So the average profit is, you can say this plus this and divided by 3. So as a result, our average profit will be 1,35,000. Clear for all? So the average profit. Now the average capital employed of the business is there. Rate of interest on the normal rate of return also is there, and the assets excluding goodwill, assets and liabilities are there. So here the average profit of the partners remuneration is 1,35,000. See, our answer also 1,35,000. Now you have to less the normal profit to find out the super profit. So less normal rate of return on capital employed. How much it will be? See, our capital, average capital employed is 7,50,000 and the normal rate of return is 15%. So just simple 15% of 7,50,000. So how much it will come? 11 lakh 20 sorry 1,12,500. So what is our super profit? The super profit will be the average profit minus normal profit. So the answer only 22,500. Okay, so the super profit is extracted 2,25,000. Okay, now you have to find out the goodwill under the 4 method. First, add 3 years purchase of the average profit method. Okay, so there is a, we know there is a 4 types of method are there. There is a 4 type of method. First, value of goodwill under average profit method. So what is the formula? So the average profit is how much? So the average profit is 1,35,000 and number of year purchase 3 years. So the goodwill under this method, under the average profit method, goodwill under this average profit method, the answer will be 1,35,000 into the number of year purchase is 3. So it will be 8,10,000. Hope student is clear for you. Under the average profit, very simple, the first method, that average profit under the, so under the valuation under the average profit method, the formula is number of year purchase into average profit. Our average profit is 1,35,000 and the 3 years purchase, so the answer will be 4,05,000. This is the answer for point number 1. Now check the point number 2. In point number 2, the valuation goodwill under the super profit method. Under super profit method, what is the formula? The number of year purchase into super profit. Now the super profit is 22,500. As simple as that, 22,500 into number of year purchase. In question we can see the number of year purchase. In question number 36, the number of year purchase, 3 years purchase of the super profit. So here also into 3. So 67,500. (22,500), 67,500. You can check the answer whether it's match or not. Question number 36. See 67,500. Okay. Now move to valuation goodwill under super profit method. So valuation goodwill under super profit method, what is the formula? Super profit divided by NRR. So our super profit is 2,25,000. 2,25,000 divided by the normal rate of is 15%. So as a result, the answer will be, we can write 2,25,000 into 100 divided by 15. 1,50,000. So goodwill under capitalization of super profit, our answer is 1,50,000. It is 22,500. Sorry, student. 1,50,000. Last, the final is average profit under capitalization of average profit method. So what is the formula of capitalization of average profit method? The average maintainable profit divided by normal rate of return minus net assets. So the average maintainable profit is how much? So average maintainable profit is 1,35,000. So you can write 1,35,000 divided by normal rate of return is 15% minus the net asset. Net assets you can check. In question number 36, the asset excluding goodwill is 9 lakhs and 75,000. So the net assets we can write as 9,75,000. Sorry, 9,25,000. From the 9 lakhs, if you less 75,000, 9,25,000. So as a result, the answer will be 1,35,000 divided by 15%. So 1,35,000 divided by 15 into 100 minus 9,25,000.